Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you a Wire Crimping Tool Kit by Wieprima. It's a Wire Crimper Tool Kit with 1,200 pieces. Brass wire connectors, adjustable ratchet, it's a crimper. Oh yeah, from 0.25 up to 10 square millimeter. Portable crimper tool AWG23-7. Ferrule crimper tool, ergonomic handle. Everything is on board, as you can see. The applicable wire gauge. The Wieprima Crimping Tool Kit set applies to crimp connectors from 0.25 to 10 square millimeters. AWG 23 up to 7. Apply to terminals and connectors, cars, batteries, household, and more. It's a portable wire crimping tool. Each crimping kit comes with a crimping tool and 1,200-piece brass insulated wire terminals with different colored jaws and AWG. And we have an adjustable ratchet design for breadth and repeatable crimp, preventing overcrimping. The Ratchet Crimper tool has an adjustable compression wheel and a square ratcheting mechanism that adjusts automatically while reducing the strain it puts on our hand and elbow. And we have an ergonomic design. The square crimping pattern is made of anti-rust and anti-corrosive HSCS. For better user experience, the crimper tool has an ergonomic, non-slip and comfortable handle. Whenever we are fitting with the wires on a car, battery or household, we will find that this Ferrule crimping tool kit is more than up to the task. And we have multifunction and durability. This is ideal for DIY project and solderless repairs. You do not have to solder each connection anymore because soldering is dangerous. It is so hot and you can harm you. In this case, it's not possible to injure there because the crimping is easy. And you can connect two wires to one, as you can see, and you can make an end connection wire and stuff, as you can see. Really awesome thing. This is the Wieprima Crimping Tool set with 1,200 pieces, insulated wiring terminals. If you're going to see the red one, this is the E10 to 12, 10 square millimeters. Then the yellow big one is E60 12 with 6 square millimeters. Then the E409, 4 square millimeters. And E2508, 2.5 square millimeters. The E1508, 1.5 square millimeters. Then the other red connection is 1 millimeter in square, the E108. Then the E7508 is 0.75 square millimeters. And the white one is E0508 with 0.5 square millimeters. So you can see it's really easy. We have to strip the wire and insert into ferrule terminal of one of these terminals which are included. Then we put the terminal into the jar and close the tool. Job's done. We open the jar, then we got a tightly crimped wire with terminals. It's easy. It's ideal for DIY projects and solderless repairs. And that's a nice thing because crimping, it means that's future. Crimping is joining two or more pieces of metal or other ductile materials by deforming one or both of them to hold the other. The band of the deformity is called the crimp. It's really awesome. The metals are joined together via a special connector, which is included. Stripped wire often stranded, is inserted through the correctly sized opening of the connectors, and a crimper is used to tightly squeeze the opening against the wire. Depending on the type of the connector used, it may be attached to a metal plate by a separate screw, for example, or bolt, or it could be simply screwed on using the connectors itself to make the attachment like an F connector. Everything is possible if you're going to use a crimping tool. The crimping is the most extensively used in metalworking. Crimping is commonly used to fix bullets in their cartridge cases or rapid but lasting electronic connections, securing lids on metal food cans, and many other applications because it can be a cold working technique. Crimping can also be used for form a strong bond between the work pieces and the non-metallic components. When joining the segmental of tubular sheet metal pipes, such as the smoke pipes or wooden stove, downspouting, or rain gutters, or for installation of ventilation duction, one end of the tube is treated with a crimping tool to make a slip joint into the next section of the duct. You can see crimping is big in business. And we now have here a crimping tool for our standard electricity lines, for example, okay? Or for our battery connections at home or in the garage. You can use that too. It's really easy, and it's so much better to make a right electronic connection by using a crimping tool like that here from Wieprima. This is the Wire Crimping Tool Kit by Wieprima. It's a wired crimper tool kit with 1,200 pieces, a brass wire connectors, adjustable ratchet crimper tool, and you can make a crimping connection from 0.25 square millimeters up to 10. It's portable, it's a crimper tool AWG23-7, Ferrule crimper tool, ergonomic handle, everything is included, and that's easy, as you can see how it works. Only connect this, press it, job's done. This is the nice and awesome wire crimping tool. Thanks for watching, please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.